Alright, well, we're just going to do a little update here, I guess. Video that I did about, you know, some adolescent students on a little bit. Right, so not just here, but it's everywhere. Etiquette, you know. So the other night, I guess there was some karaoke going on. Had big speakers, big amplifiers. We're about a little more than a quarter of a mile away, probably pretty close to a half a mile. And I didn't hear it, of course. But Alan said he heard it, you know, didn't wake him up, but he said he could hear it clearly inside his trailer. And then Irene, from Irene Van Ventures, she's probably another quarter of a mile away down south of here, and she heard it just as plain as day. That's getting a little ridiculous. It was at 10 o'clock, and I guess Bob Wells finally had to get involved. It was, you know, the songs, I guess they were playing, like I said, I didn't hear it, but I was, you know, other people have been talking about it, that, you know, they were just flat dirty. The lyrics were just dirty. What else can you say? So, yeah, it's been kind of there's been lots of controversy. Adolescent stuff going on. So, you know, pushing the envelope, see how far you can go before you get shut down. Not thinking about anything else, just themselves. So this is, I don't want this to turn into a rant, but that's just what's going on. Now decided that probably going to stay till the end, only just to see what's going to happen next. So, and yeah, I get, what is it, the 22nd? 23rd is the end?
I'm not sure what the date is.
Yeah, anyway, I guess we're both going to stay. And like I said, I just want to see what's going to happen next. But yeah, it's a constant parade of people up and down, and like somebody said, everybody gives you the stink eye, and you know, not very friendly. You wave at them, or you know, you nod your head at them like that when they go by, and they pretend like they didn't see you. You know, it's interesting. I guess that's to say the least. But yeah, it's like ringside seats at the circus. So I keep saying, you know, what am I doing here? So yeah, I guess that's about it. I can't think of anything else. You think of anything else you want to talk about?
Nah, we've been trying, though, keep the solar up. But you know how it was all cloudy yesterday? And,
yeah. He's got a lot of watts on the roof, but you know, we haven't had a lot of sun either. So this year he's not quite able to move them around without moving the trailer around. So I think he's kind of talked himself into getting some mounts where he can at least, you know, move them this way. And he was talking about going over to Ontario,
yeah, to
get another 500 watts. He's got
750 watts.
750 now. You get another 500, and then you got 8 batteries?
No, I've got 750 amp hours.
Oh, 750 amp hours in batteries, and
500 watts.
And 500 watts. Thank you. You want to do this?
No.
500 watts, a little more than 500 watts in solar. So, you know, it's not quite enough. You're running out of power in the middle of the night. So, and that's not too cool. It's been a little bit chilly. I think it was 38 last night. So, it'll be 47 tonight. But that's still kind of chilly for desert rats, you know. You people on the East Coast got your short sleeve shirts out with that kind of weather, so not us. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I'm not having any trouble with solar, but then I can move mine around too. So, and I don't have near the batteries that he has. Wait till the aliens go by. I don't even look over here, just, you know, nose to the front. Okay, that's it, I guess. I'll talk to you again quickly or sooner. Quickly or sooner. I'm having a hard time with my mouth today. I say things and they come out completely wrong. I'll cut that part out.
Billy, you know what it is?
Huh?
You're around your eye teeth and you can't see what you're saying.
Yeah, my tongue gets wrapped around my eye teeth and I can't see what I'm saying. There we go. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll talk to you later.